So it rains a lot in Kentucky, and apparently I just learned we also get tornadoes. I wasn't aware that that was a thing. I thought that was only in Kansas or Missouri. And so I'm headed home this morning. It's about 10:30. I left my house, or camper I should say, at 2:30 a.m. because of a tornado warning. So here I am at the beginning of our road, and that is the little creek you cross, and it's flowing like crazy. Here's the other side. Man, it looks like a river. Okay, so here I go, headed to see what's up here. So far, so good. No trees cross the road to get to the gate. Oh, here's a big chunk I'm coming up on right there. Look at that. All right. We're gonna just kind of hope that guy stays put. Rob. Okay. Oh, there's a squirrel. Gate is still standing. It's really windy. All right, made it this far, so far so good. All right, so this road is really got a lot of water just pouring down it. That's a lot of water here. Let's see. Well, I can still cross the road, so that's good. But it sure is filling up. Yay, my little campers are still there, so that's good. So I can hear that creek. Boy, it sure sounds like a lot of water. Holy cow. Oh yeah, look at this. Whew. Do not go in there, Mika. Wow. No. Look at this. Oh, you are freaking crazy with your zoomies. Oh, man. Oh, my dog. Are you nuts? She's really happy to be home. Go. Come on. This is where the sandbags didn't hold up. But these are some crazy amount of water in storm.